Hey guys, welcome to Mike Mind Academy, and in this lesson we're gonna match anything with wildcard period using regular expressions. Sometimes you want or don't need to know the exact characters in your patterns. Thinking of all words that match, say a misspelling, would take a long time. Luckily, you can save time using the wildcard character. The wildcard character dot will match any one character. The wildcard is also called dot and period. You can use the wildcard character just like any other character in the regex. For example, if you wanted to match hard, hut, and ham, you can use the regex who dot to match all four words. So here's an example. I'll ham a song, Berhard, and if you just search for HU dot, you will get the ham and the hard. So now for the exercise, we have to complete the regex on regex so that it matches the strings run, sun, fun, pan, noon, and ban. And now you can also use the or character, but it says that because this is the lesson of using the wildcard, and they also specify that you have to use the wildcard, you have to use the wildcard. So let's use it. We're gonna simply, so in this example they used it at the end, they put the dot at the end to match, and in this exercise we actually have to put the dot in the beginning. So dot un. Now if you run the test, you will see that it works. So congratulations, and see you at the next lesson.